So everyone is complaining that Facebook ads are too expensive right now. If you're a coach, consultant, an expert, well, everyone is feeling the squeeze right now. But here's the part nobody is saying out loud. Your Facebook ad costs, well, they're lying to you. And I'll explain in this video. And if you don't understand how they're lying, you will keep killing campaigns that could have made you a fortune. And scaling campaigns that were guaranteed to melt down. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how the real reason your costs spike and why your lead quality collapses above the $200, $300, $400, $500 a day, and why Meta is punishing your account even when technically nothing is wrong. No, this has nothing to do with CPMs, competition, or Meta raising prices. It's something completely different. And it's backed by new changes inside the algorithm. I want to talk about how the old playbook that you've been using is completely dead. If you're using the old Facebook ads playbook, you are getting punished by the algorithm right now. The familiar scenarios here, let's talk about it. Duplicating campaigns, testing 20, 30 creatives at once, throwing endless hooks at the wall, switching audiences every 20 minutes, bid caps, anyone? Complicated structures? Well, they're dead, all dead. Because Meta's new algorithm, the Andromeda update, doesn't reward variety anymore. It rewards quality and simplicity. In fact, Meta confirmed they reached an inflection point. 3 billion users, 10 million advertisers, 20 million creators. There's simply too much content and too many ads. So, what did they do? They flipped the rules. Too many creatives? Punished. Too many tests? Punished. Cluttered campaign structures? Punished. This is why you see this daily budget spend pattern. I'm sure you've seen it. So your ads are working great at 20, 30, 50 bucks a day. They're working good at 100, 150, pretty good at 200. Start reaching into that 250 range, and then at 300 plus, everything just simply collapses. And your costs didn't rise here. That's kind of the gotcha. Your relevance collapsed. So this is the part almost nobody knows. Your backend, your funnel, your show up rates, your booking rates, those are the key metrics and decision points that determines your ad costs more than your ads do. Meta's new system is watching here. And really they're drilling into these questions. Do people actually show up to calls? Do they stay engaged? Do they complete steps? Does your offer attract buyers or tire kickers? We call those curiosity clickers, right? If your backend is weak, Meta immediately downgrades your traffic quality and pushes you into the what I call the cheap user bucket, where your CPLs look low, but your chances of getting a buyer are near zero. And I'm talking about a high ticket buyer here, which is the space that we work in. So that's why your ad costs are lying to you. Your front-end cost metrics are not the real indicator. People freak out about this. Your back-end conversion behavior is the real deal here. That's what you need to fix. So a tight back-end doesn't just increase revenue, it gives the algorithm stronger signals. And Meta rewards you with this. So you get lower CPMs, higher quality traffic, cheaper conversions, and stable scaling. This is key. Into the $1,000 to $5,000 a day spend levels, which we regularly do now. So small back-end improvements, well, equals massive jumps in ROAS, return on ad spend. So hey guys, Facebook rewards people who don't rely on Facebook. It's an odd thing to say, but here's the twist. Your ad costs, they drop when your system stops depending on ads. Interesting, right? So Meta's new algorithm, here's what it wants. Quality creatives people enjoy. Not spammy, buy now, get now, those type of ads, but story-driven content that people actually want. So quality creative equals lower cost. And number two here, a clean consolidated account structure, not 7 campaigns, 20 ad sets and 30 ads. Just a few strong campaigns Meta can understand. Simplicity again here. This is key. And number 3, a backend that converts Meta's watching your lead to booking to sale flow. Absolutely essential. Better backend equals cheaper traffic. And when you dial these in, your ad costs naturally fall. Not because you optimize the ad, but because the algorithm trusts your system. Absolutely essential. So Facebook doesn't want you throwing spaghetti at the wall. It wants a tight machine that works with the algorithm, not against it. Basically, this has been a quick summary and some breakdowns on how to fix it. This is exactly what I help coaches, consultants, and experts fix. We have an agency here in Los Angeles, and if your ads are getting more expensive, if your lead quality collapses when you're trying to scale here, and if your calendar fills with curiosity clickers only, and if your campaigns die at this 250, 300, 400 plus a day, your ads are frankly not the problem. The system is the issue here. If you'd like to move forward, here's what to do next. I have provided a link below, and I'll break down your entire ecosystem front to back. Not just your ads, but your funnel, your structure, your creative, your follow-up, and the back-end signals that I've talked about. Meta is reading this in your account right now. What I'll do further here is I'll show you exactly where the breakdown is and how to make Andromeda reward you, and that is with lower costs, better leads, and predictable scale. If you want predictable, consistent, high-ticket clients without your campaign collapsing every time you scale, you need a new playbook. Again, you can access it through the link below this video, and I'm happy to share exactly how this works and some examples and case studies if you want to move ahead. Click below and let's get to work. Thank you.